What is a general offer? A general offer is an offer which is made to the public at large. You make the offer to the whole world. Anybody from the public can accept it. You are not making it to some specified person or a group of people, but you are making it to the world at large, and anybody from the general public can accept this offer. Such an offer which is made to general public at large is called a general offer. Now, one such example that we have before us of general offer is Carlyle versus Carbolic Smokeball and Company. Now, during those times, influenza or flu, as commonly understood, was very rampant in Europe. And this company, Carbolic Smokeball and Company, came up with a product, Smokeball, which it claimed that after consumption, you will not contract flu. Along with the prescription, it had also given some conditions which needed to be followed. And at that time, there was this lady, Carlyle, who purchased the smoke balls and consumed it according to the directions. She also followed all the directions, yet she contracted flu. Now, in this offer, there was a reward that if after consumption of smoke balls you contract flu, you'll get a reward of £100. So, after contracting flu, Carlyle claimed $100 from the company. The company did not give her the reward, saying they never made an offer. Then Carlyle went to the court claiming that she accepted the offer which was given by this Carbolic Smokeball company. In the court, it was decided by the bench that the company had made a general offer, that is, an offer to the public at large, claiming that they will give a reward of £100 to whomsoever who contracts flu after consuming the smoke balls. So it was accepted by Carlyle. Anybody from the public would have accepted it. It was accepted by Carlyle and she fell prey to flu. So the claim of company was negated and she had the right to get the reward. So in that case, this thing was set up that a company or a public can give a general offer. Before that, there was no such concept of a general offer. We have one more example, which is Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. Now, in this case, what happened was there was an elderly person who used to stay with his grandson. This person was named Gauri Dutt and he had a help, a house help called as Lalman Shukla. One day while playing, his grandson got lost. He accidentally reached some other city. So Gauri Dutt asked Lalman Shukla to go in search of his grandson. Lalman Shukla at once started for the search. After Lalman Shukla left, Gauri Dutt announced in public that whomsoever searches and finds his grandson will get a reward of 100 rupees. 100 rupees in those times was a big sum of money. And coincidentally, Lalman Shukla found his grandson, and while returning, he saw the posters which had this offer, wherein Gauri Dutt had made a reward of 100 rupees for the person who finds his grandson. So after bringing the grandson to Gauri Dutt, he asked for the reward. But Gauri Dutt simply asked him to leave and told him that he'll not give him the reward. On this, Lalman Shukla put a case on Gauri Dutt. The court there decided in the favor of Gauri Dutt. That is a different matter. We'll come to it once we are done with the offer. But the point here is when Gauri Dutt publicly announced that he'll give a reward of 100 rupees to any person who finds his grandson, that was considered as a general offer because he's making offer to the general public and anybody from the public can accept it, and if that person finds the grandson, Gauri Dutt was supposed to give him 100 rupees. So these are the examples of general offer. Let's move ahead.